Good afternoon, sir. Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Did you see my phone by any chance? I left my phone here not quite 5 minutes ago, just to get something from the shop.
Who are you talking to?
I'm asking you, sir.
That what?
That I left my phone here. Did you see my phone?
Do I look like a phone keeper to you?
That's not what I said. I'm only asking you. Because I know I left it here.
I don't see any phone. Waiting you, they ask me.
How can you not see any phone? I just left the phone here not quite 5 minutes ago. And you are the only person that have sat here since. You're telling me you don't speak that language. Don't just start.
I say I did not see any phone. You say I should not. Don't start what?
How can you not see any phone?
So you won't fight me. What do you mean by don't start that one? You won't fight me. Waiting you can't drag with me now. Waiting you they drag with me.
I said I need my phone.
So then which phone do you need now?
The one I left here.
I don't have your phone.
How can you not have my phone? What are you talking about? I just left here 3 minutes ago, and you're the only person that have sat here.
I say I don't have your phone.
Come, mister. I don't want problem. I don't want to fight with you. I just need my phone.
Me too. I don't want to fight. But if you want to fight, I get waiting. I will take deal with you here.
Jesus Christ. How can you be? Okay, are you telling me you did not see any phone here?
I did not see your phone. Abikoton.
What kind of... Okay. Oh my God.
What do you mean?
You didn't see my phone.
Hello, gentlemen. What was the problem?
You don't have to deal with me. You have to give me my phone, man.
Gentlemen.
Hello, officer.
Calm down. Your noise is actually disturbing the neighbors.
Officer, there's nothing to calm down about.
What's the problem?
I just left my phone. I was sitting here before, right? So I went out there, not quite 3 minutes. I found out that my phone wasn't with me. And I remembered I was checking my phone on top of this table, and I left it here. So I met this man here. I said, did you see my phone? He said he didn't see my phone. I was surprised to hear that from him, because I know I left the phone here. And he's the only one that I've sat here since I left. And he's telling me he will deal with me. How can you deal with me when you're taking my phone?
Gentlemen, you still have to calm down. Is that the case, sir?
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I just come down and sit down and they read my paper. This man just come now, come they tell me, say, where be in phone? Where be in phone? I say, I didn't see any phone. I didn't see any phone. He say he want to fight with me. And I say, I get waiting, I go take deal with him.
That's all right. Gentlemen, just calm down.
Gosh.
You don't have to accuse anybody or allege anybody. If you're looking for your phone...
Officer, I'm not accusing him wrongly. I know that I left the phone here.
And I say I didn't see your phone.
Calm down, sir. You should have talked to the man in a gentle manner.
Of course
so
I
in case
did.
he has your phone, but the way you are going, he may not want to release it if he has it. But if the man said he doesn't have your phone, okay. What's the number of your phone?
I don't get your phone.
That's all right. What's your number? What's the number of your phone?
I'm even leaving. I'm leaving.
No, gentlemen. Please, let's sort this out.
No, I don't want this kind of insult. Where they give me.
I've talked to him now, not to insult you, because he actually didn't see you taking his phone. So he has no right to accuse you. But just sit down for a minute, please. What's the number, please? Hold on. Let me.
He gets waiting. I want to go do.
I understand what you're saying, but let's sort out this one before. What's the number again, sir?
079.
079
574
574
353
353 80.
See, officer, let me they go.
No, you can't go anywhere, sir.
Make they go now. I get waiting at they go.
Let's sort this out, sir.
I don't see anything. You are get waiting at. I get waiting at they go do.
That's the phone ringing.
No, sorry. Let me confirm that again, sir. Because I had something ringing, but I have no idea where.
See what I'm talking about?
Mr. Man, can I just have that thing in your pocket, please, sir?
Maybe they for gone.
You be mumu. You think say they wise?
Maybe they for gone.
Mumu man.
I can't put my hand up. Can you bring that out, please?
Waiting now.
Can I have that in your pocket, please, sir?
You this man.
So an old man like you, what will you teach your children?
Waiting. You no insult me. Oh.
You are a criminal.
Mr. Man, he's not a criminal unless he's being prescribed that by the court of law.
Okay, I'm sorry, officer, but at least you've seen where the phone came out from.
You should have spoken with him.
I did my
But
hand.
I did. He denied it.
Did I put my hand in your
When
pocket?
you asked him, what did he say to you? He said he doesn't have it.
Yes, sir. Have a good day, sir.
Thank you very much.
And,
Sorry, officer. Sorry.
no.
Thank you.
Yeah, gentlemen, I'm not here to condemn you or to call you a criminal, because you are not a criminal yet. But you see, in this part of the world, when you find anything that is not yours, the law says you should take it to the nearby police station and report it to the police, not for you to keep it. I don't have any right to accuse you. But what you've done now is totally wrong, sir. An elderly man like you, I believe you must have children who look up to you as their role model. What do you want to teach your children, sir?
Now, because when I come here, I don't see anybody here.
But the phone was found in your pocket, sir.
Why you going to
was
accuse me
found
like say I take them for
because you've taken things that is not yours. When you possess things that don't belong to you, it's called stealing, sir. But I don't want to call you a thief. But what you've done now is totally wrong, sir.
Okay, sorry. I feel they go.
You can go, but you should be one of those that the young ones should be looking to, up to in the society.
Sorry.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you.
Buckingham Daddy Abiala, Buckingham Daddy today, Buckingham Daddy today, Buckingham Daddy good day, Buckingham Daddy Abiala, Buckingham Daddy today, Buckingham Daddy today, Buckingham Daddy good day. African legacy, you know they pick and play. African culture, you hold on very tight. African money, you know they agree and talk. For you dream, for you vein, African blood. Buckingham Daddy Abiala, Buckingham Daddy today, Buckingham Daddy today, Buckingham Daddy good day.